Nirmala Kenyam kana diala kontin barwani lingwasa me ka Nuer TV channel. Biya kamal ka Nuer TV to konkalere to jidit bi konkaling ka janlere me. Anda manduni chan kwasnyak malayan nung rwaini gwasa me ka Nuer TV to konka jaw mi jidit mi bana lingwasa me mishalat ka kui kuumɛ SPLA IO bana man chalat ka kui Dr. Riek Machar ban jilingwasa me. Shaladungo SPLA IO taken ke new chapter michikana left wiki Unty state no ke sermon mishalat ke Rubkona county and wale ke jen pai baro me ronkin dangro widi jan dangro widi dijete kontenane bana jome bana jalin ka do padan en chanu keje pelro de pinko biler me bijalin ko lertiti gor keno de kelin ko kalerti go and bana je chulin kel emandan and lerode. The Sudan People Liberation Movement in opposition marked a significant moment in Unty State on Saturday with a colorful and well-attended ceremony to officially appoint Major General George Thok as the new Sector 2 commander in the Thok cantonment area located in Rubkona County. Joe Chalat Gwasame Chalat Ngo Charam Kel Chaja Kuany La Kullr and Kueramo Shwale Major General George Thok Ajaram Dana Chakwanya La Kullr ki new Sector 2 commander Thok cantonment area. Thok cantonment area jan gwasa dana ti ni SPLA IO ticketin ka jo chakwen gwasa me wachikan ceremony na mochikan alat ka Rubkona County wachilo jen chete de lonko chikan kwerm jidi chikana kwany no na me mila rode re wichin winame. The official appointment of Major General Thok is a part of SPLA IO wide effort to strengthen its military. Kwenye dana kwenka kuera me re wichin winame ko bala kuer dung Sector 2 commander and re wich Rubkona County wala jenu adwarmo gwalong wache nete ngwan nete konti la local citizen ke jewich kene ju SPLA IO supporters ke senior military ke all political leader waken dial chiga ben gwas kel ke chilodien chete the long ka do badan en chicken a lot of me chicken lat keje a jo mi lat kene en tamen go a jo mo gwa. The event brought together a large number of local citizens, SPLA IO supporters and senior military and political leaders. The vibrant gathering was seen as a strong show of unity between the people and the SPLA IO army, a clear sign of continued support for the movement leadership and peace vision. Ta dana china adol keje rewishin winemi chalan go nyu the jen wotena tiken kamat ki tiken ken no kam miken ko endol dana cha adol ke kwiser mon kamalat ke kwiram dana cha kwany ala kuer ke SPLA IO rewishin winemi no chala go chenede kontila local community ke jewich kana kwar kane diala konten winemi awache kano gwas kel ke chilo nyen to wan chete the long ka jo chalat gwasame walo na chetes ko ngode SPLA IO take kel. The official appointment of Major General Thok is part of SPLA IO wider effort to strengthen its military leadership structure in key areas. According to SPLA IO officers present at the event, the appointment aimed to promote discipline within the rank, improve command structure, and ensure that the force continue to adhere to the peace agreement. Jordan and Shalat Gwasame, Wachilo na chete the lunko, Shakum SPLA IO, Chajale Madgwaskel, Kano Binatin Contila Ditch, Bikalan Latkel. O bigger take a queer, bigger joke no ladaname, K Chana Shingane, Wachilo chete the long. Speaking during the ceremony, SPLA IO leader reaffirmed their firm belief that true and lasting peace in South Sudan cannot be achieved without the leadership of Dr. Riek Machar. George Kalat Gwasame, a Kenetela Mal Midenung, Mitele Dr. Machar. Ko Dr. Machar Jaramadana la Teloy de Ko de Malder Ritin, Chalar no Miteleje, a watch Malcha deben. The first Vice President of the Republic and Chairman of the SPLA IO, They praised Dr. Riek Machar's vision for peace, justice, and national reconciliation, calling on all parties to the peace agreement to remain committed. Ka jo chikalat gwasame ti kene dial ngo din dial de let kel ka do badan en de mal de je non ka je chirka manana gorke a Dr. Riek Machar ko Dr. Machar le ke kwi mal ke chagu je no ne dial tin ten wana mo de ka mal de kene dil no ka do badan de naw nyam ka je lat kene ngo tela do me de mal de je non ka je mit Dr. Riek Machar ngo de re ti jen the only way dan be mal ben ka je nimi cha Dr. Riek Machar cha jo kon luin ka jo ran chikana lat. Local residents welcomed the new commander with a celebration, describing the event as a new beginning for peace and stability in Unty State. The SPLA IO continued to emphasize that building peace and unity in the country require inclusive leadership, a strong military discipline, and respect for the revitalized peace agreement signed in 2018. As Unty State turned a new page under the leadership of Major General George Thok Naath, the movement said it remained committed to the peaceful transformation of the South Sudan. Jolat ken gwasame ala kuumɛ South Sudan ke kuumɛ SPLA IO wajen chorodo committed ke ya jarodo no ba mal bejenong rei wich ka South Sudan chirka mengai kon dialen go kuumɛ Dr. Riek Machar e kuumɛ kel mele lon ko de mal darben nedin konden charge gorno de mal darben kanasen kontin dong te kel ke kir tin gujeno dong chicken mal chicken de je ka Dr. Riek Machar ke tin gujeno ken de ka mal de ken no but ken me gujen go she Thok wa ken jakano bi South Sudan bangut committee reshu committee ko ken tin konen logono de mal darben jowlin kono gwasame jowdana chalat kuumɛ SPLA IO en wo chicken kwerm jide chicken kwany ka telo dien lon commandant chicken lat local community leaders many dial konin tere wichin winami ngani ken dial walo jen chete dalon ka do badan en chicken madame chicken lat keje en go mat kene kelan gwana jen me jangna ko bika let kel ki bika wo wonyam netin konin ten winami chicken Major General George Thok chicken kwany ala kwer en tama telo dien longon wo wude me balaram kel me be kuumɛ SPLA IO pin Dr. Riek Machar bekene bonyam shurkan longono Dr. Riek Machar ak loin kaje mu wa Dr. Riek Machar waje loin akene jen the beginning of peace akene mu kan Dr. Riek Machar mu kana kolun tele do mi bi mal be ben kaje ka kwije mo gor kamal kuumɛ SPLA IO ajem nen yana tama chike shurno chagwan wo ba mal ba je to ka South Sudan tije gorno dera loy kor ko kana demand no de Dr. Riek Machar de jadilun akir me yadit teach can international community shirka jigat ji Africa Union ji United Nation kana diala continent ka kwimal kare wika South Sudan te kana go Dr. Riek Machar alonka gwasdana chaji yentin jen jawdana gorde nyoka konkel mi jirama jidit kanwa TV please gorno be nywane ko ken ke chuje puro jeno jin abu subscribe kanwa TV channel lan biata kamal ban jikale redien bye bye.